Hello there guys, in today's video you're gonna learn my method of using oil on my hair so that it stays silky, beautiful, amazing within a week, not just after the first wash. So I hope that you will enjoy this video and make sure you watch it till the end to see my result, my techniques, and I hope that you'll hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the video! Okay guys, first things first, we comb our hair. You can see that my hair is gross, and before any oil application and before you go washing your hair, you always comb your hair. It's a great advice that I got from my hairdresser that I remember after this day. Okay, we comb our hair. Then oil. We use oil today to make our hair look incredible within a night. But I need to tell you something. Like, personally speaking, I have an oily skin, like you can tell by my face. Oily skin, like scalp, and you know, it's like my hair gets greasy really fast. And I don't recommend to put oil on your scalp because it can make that even worse, that your hair will become greasy faster than now, for example. So if you have a dry skin, you can apply directly here, massage it as well, but if you have an oily skin, you better start putting it at this point. Okay, so don't reach the roots. What oil do I use? Actually, I use oil that we basically normally put on our hair after we wash it. But I find it more effective when you put a little bit more on the ends and you have it for a night. It works much better, just trust me. Also, I'm gonna mix this oil that I showed you with this oil. It's written in Russian, you can understand nothing, so I'm gonna tell you it's a castor oil. You can even drink this oil. I would say it's like olive oil, like we eat and then we still can put on our skin. I mean, it's a good oil, so if you find it where you live, it's gonna be great. It's not good if you put a lot, so I'm gonna show you how much I put. I start with this. I put like 4 pumps, I think. Let's see. I think 3 is gonna be enough. Okay, 3 pumps. You can see how much I have. It's so liquid. So you guys, 3 pumps of this oil. I think it's like 10 grams, a tablespoon. And then castor oil, it's thicker. You can tell by the consistency. It's thicker than olive oil for sure. So you put, I hope you see everything guys, you put a little bit, like a drop, and then with your hands you make it warm. Don't put oil directly like that on your hair, on your head. It's gonna do no good. You can see I don't touch the roots because, like I tell you, if you put too much of oil, it will be hard to wash that off, and your hair will still be greasy. Because normally, to moisturize my hair with just this oil, after I wash it, I used 1 pump. And here I used 3. Yeah, 4, that would be a lot. I used 3 pumps and then I added a little bit of castor oil. So yeah, you can also, like me, massage your head with this massager. I already showed you in my videos about henna if you watched that. Okay, I massaged my head with this thing for within 2 or 3 minutes, too much. And so I do a ponytail. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to sleep. Tomorrow you'll see the result. And yeah, I already feel like they're moisturized. And I hope I didn't put too much, because if I put too much, that video wouldn't come up. Okay, here we go. Also, when I wash my hair, I'm gonna wash it next morning. Normally I wash my hair just with the shampoo. I was just the roots, and then I wash out the water, okay, and then the rest of my hair, the length, I just wash with the conditioner or I put a mask. But after this thing that I applied, the next morning when I'm gonna wash my hair, I will wash with the shampoo the whole thing, because there still can be oil in the ends and there will be still oil in the end, so I don't want that. Even if I didn't put a lot of oil, I still want that. I wash it off. So it's great advice, you guys. I hope you love it. Okay, you guys, it's early morning, but I just after this oily mask, and I can say that it's like amazing. Okay, guys, look, this is the same day, but just evening time. It's really late. I washed my hair this morning, like very early, and what I did after I washed that, I just dried that with a hair dryer, and that's all. How amazing it feels like having this hair after the mask, this oily mask that I showed you previously. What do you think, you guys? Let me know what you think about this. If you like how it looks like, if you already tried my recipe. Let me think. Let me know, I'm sorry. Today I had a second washing after the mask that I showed you previously. You can still see my hair, it's very silky. And I didn't straighten my hair, I didn't even dry it. This mask works really good just for 2 washings. And I did this mask the previous washing before. So before this washing I did no mask. But it's the second washing and it's still amazing. So satisfied with the result. You can see, like, just with your eyes, like how amazing it looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful, that you'll use my technique to make your hair be silky and more beautiful, and you let me know if you do it. So then, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys, again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!